Thinking about building a barndominium but worried about the size and cost? Well, a 1,200 square foot layout might be the perfect sweet spot you're looking for. For around $135,000, you can get a stunning home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a beautiful open kitchen. This size is ideal for couples, small families, or anyone looking to downsize without sacrificing comfort. Today, we're diving deep into 5 exceptional 1,200 square foot barndominium floor plans. Each one is cleverly designed to make the most of every single inch, so you get all the function without ever feeling cramped. We'll cover a range of costs, from a budget-friendly $120,000 up to $180,000, so there's something here for everyone. Let's find the perfect plan for you. First up, we have Plan 1, the classic rectangle layout. It's simple, efficient, and a favorite for a reason. This plan features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master bedroom is a real retreat, complete with its own walk-in closet and a private en-suite bathroom. The open-concept living room flows seamlessly into a spacious kitchen, which boasts a large island that's perfect for both meal prep and casual dining. One of my favorite features is the laundry room that connects directly to the garage. No more tracking mud through the house. Because of its simple rectangular shape, construction costs are kept low, typically ranging from $120,000 to $150,000. This straightforward, proven design is absolutely perfect for first-time builders who want guaranteed functionality without any fuss. Now for something a little different. Plan 2 uses a clever L shape to create a built-in covered porch without adding to your overall square footage. How smart is that? In this design, the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are neatly tucked into one wing of the L, providing a quiet, private zone. The other wing is dedicated to your main living area, with the kitchen and living room creating a bright, open space for daily life. This L configuration naturally forms a secluded outdoor area, which is just perfect for enjoying your morning coffee in peace or relaxing in the evening with friends. To make the home feel even more spacious, the living area features stunning vaulted ceilings. This plan will typically cost between $130,000 and $160,000. It's the ideal choice for anyone who truly values outdoor living and loves to entertain. Moving on to Plan 3, which is all about privacy. This design features a split bedroom layout, which is a brilliant way to create separation even in a compact home. The master suite is situated on one end of the house, while the guest bedroom is on the complete opposite side, with the main living space acting as a buffer in between. With 2 full bathrooms, nobody has to wait in line. A surprising and fantastic feature for a home of this size is the walk-in pantry in the kitchen, giving you tons of storage. Plus, large windows are placed throughout the home, flooding the entire space with beautiful, natural light. Construction costs for this plan range from about $135,000 to $165,000. This layout is perfect for couples who often host guests or for anyone who needs a dedicated home office space separate from their personal sanctuary. Ready for some flexibility? That's what makes Plan 4 so unique. It includes a versatile flex room that can adapt to your changing needs. The base layout has 1 main bedroom and 2 bathrooms, but then you get this bonus space. It can easily become a second bedroom, a home office, a craft room, or even a personal gym. The open kitchen with its convenient breakfast bar makes the most of the 1,200 square feet, keeping everything feeling connected and efficient. Another huge plus is the oversized garage, which has plenty of room for workshop tools, storage, or your weekend toys. Build costs for this adaptable home run from $140,000 to $170,000. It's an absolutely ideal choice for remote workers, hobbyists, or anyone whose needs might change over time. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about Plan 5, a loft-style design that brings the drama. This plan features soaring 16-foot ceilings in the main living area, creating an incredible sense of volume and space. There's 1 bedroom on the main floor, and the second bedroom is located in a cool loft that overlooks the great room below. It has 2 bathrooms, including one with direct access from the garage, making it the perfect mudroom entrance. The dramatic ceiling height truly makes this 1,200 square foot home feel double its size. With its modern industrial aesthetic and exposed beams, this design has a ton of character. The cost for this high-impact home ranges from $150,000 to $180,000. It's the best choice for anyone wanting a big visual wow factor within a smaller, manageable footprint. So, as you can see, all 5 of these plans prove that 1,200 square feet is more than enough for comfortable, stylish living when it's designed smartly. The key is in the details. Open floor plans eliminate wasted hallway space, making every square foot count. Vaulted or high ceilings create an airy, open feeling that fights any sense of being cramped. Smart storage solutions, like walk-in pantries and generous closets, are crucial for keeping your home organized and clutter-free. And having 2 full bathrooms is a non-negotiable for modern functionality. Most importantly, a 1,200 square foot barndominium can cost you $40,000 to $60,000 less than a 1,500 square foot home, while still meeting the needs of most couples and small families perfectly. Ultimately, choosing the right 1,200 square foot plan comes down to your personal lifestyle and priorities. Do you need maximum privacy for guests or a home office? The split bedroom layout is your answer. Do you love spending time outdoors? Then you'll want the L-shaped plan with its covered porch. If you work from home or have a hobby that needs space, the Flex Room plan offers unbeatable adaptability. And if you're looking to make a bold statement, the Loft design delivers that wow factor. For those who value simplicity and want to keep costs as low as possible, the classic rectangle layout is a surefire winner. All 5 of these designs maximize space and efficiency, all while staying under a $180,000 budget. If these compact and clever plans have inspired you, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more barndominium layouts, building tips, and tours. I'd love to hear from you. So comment below and tell me which of these 5 plans best fits your lifestyle and why. And don't forget to check out my cost breakdown video to help you budget your own build accurately. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your future 1,200 square foot barndominium project.